In this video, I will show you how to turn off age restriction on X or Twitter. So first you want to go into the app, and then go to your profile, click profile, and then edit. Then you have to scroll down and then go to your birthday, and then make sure you enter a birthday. If you haven't done so, make sure you enter your real birthday. Once you've done that, just go here, then go back to the settings, and then scroll down, click settings and support, then settings and privacy. Scroll down, you should see privacy and safety, and then content you see, and then go to search setting, and then if you want you could also unhide sensitive content. Now make sure you have to be aware that this could potentially show more sensitive content while you're searching. And that's pretty much it. This should be it for the video. If you found it helpful, please subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.